Coron, or in the little airport anyway. I think we're probably a couple of hours away. I think the bus will take. It seemed to be a fair way from the actual Coron town, because I could see it when we're flying in. So we'll work it out. I'll just get me bag. So I'm just going to get a shared van here. So we're just waiting to gather a few people, and it's bucketing down. Okay, so in the room here, give you a quick look around. Massive bathroom, looks like, you know, old room, but the room's massive, like 40 square meters or something. And so sort of down the wharf area here. I'll obviously go for a wander. Town's back up that way, and the beautiful islands, which is what, although the town looked pretty cool too. Chilling out for a bit, getting set up here, and then having a look at tours for tomorrow. The last episode in El Nido, I dropped my drone straight into the water, flew it into the water. So anyway, have a look at that one. So there you go, guys, but we'll get over and get plenty of footage there. And there you go, guys. Step outside, and they seem nice at reception and all. I know there's a little restaurant they said downstairs, so whether that's open or not, it's a little bit different sort of a joint in that. And you know, I suppose you say it's a nice view, but then, you know, a lot of this pretty rough, so I reckon it's pretty good. I love the big room, so I'm more than happy here for a couple of nights, and then back to Manila for one night. So they do have a fridge there, coffee and water. Mate, this, I'm not joking, that one of the places I stayed in El Nido just for the one night, my room and bathroom, I reckon it would have been smaller than this toilet here. So, than this bathroom. Wire in there? I don't know what it was 40, 50, let's say 50, it might have been 50 Australian dollars a night. Look, even got robes. Look at that, complimentary stuff.
Private boat.
How much in private boat?
How many persons you have?
One, just me.
3,000.
And where does it go?
Here, you can choose here.
And do you have a goggles and snorkel I can?
There's a shop here if you want rent.
Hire.
Yeah, 150 each.
Alright, no worries. So if I want to go to say 3 different places,
Yeah.
how much does it cost?
The same price, sir.
Yeah, so it's just
3,000.
3,000.
Yeah.
3,000.
Yeah.
I'm in room 202, but I'll meet here.
Yeah.
So
Yeah,
you're
I'll
on?
see you tomorrow. What's your name, sir?
My name is Dean. You probably got most of that. I think the camera's running the whole time. Mate, I'm not going to muck around. Like, I had a look at some prices. They were around 6 for private. He's saying 3, so I'm just going to go with that. Get down here at 7:30, and he didn't even want a deposit, which is unusual, but I would have been a bit sketchy because it's not a proper shop, you know. Giving him one anyway, so he said it's a big boat, so I don't know what that means, man. It'll probably cost around 4,000 or something all up anyway, so we'll get over and do it. Anyway, here we are down the wharf. Got the tour booked. Anyway, we'll see what other extra costs come up. You never know with these tours, where they say, oh, you've got to pay a port fee and blah blah, but hey, just got to roll with it. I'd rather just go out on my own anyway, so I can only, I don't want to go out for the whole day. The tours are too long for me, because I'm just an old man. Reason, I think this place over here is calling me. Looks pretty cool, eh? Look at that, little garden restaurant. Or it might be a couple of them. Hey, Island Boy Grill. Bring it on, brothers. Oh, well, that looks alright. That might even be a good one for dinner, I reckon. But I'm going to head over. If I can navigate the little lakes through here, I will head over to this joint. Oh, Korean restaurant there too. That does look really neat, doesn't it? Oh, they've got a band on too. Might I think that'll be me tonight. So they got some little markets down there too. Might have a wander down sometime. And then I want to head inland a bit. Saw a little bit today on the ride from the airport. So, and there you go. Alright, so it's got my favourite bib and bop. That's Soul Light. Beautiful. So the nice lady, Korean lady there, and sort of my kimchi had all been put in here, so she's getting me some more. But this is really nice. 400 peso. Got the nice, that's really hot sauce that you need with it. It's beautiful, yeah. So there you go. Soul's night. That is such good kimchi. Beautiful. Sun's sort of going down in a while. I was going to go to that restaurant back over there, but I think this will be dinner. So it'll be a bit of a walk after this. A few supplies back to the hotel. Getting ready for tomorrow's trip over to the islands. There's a drone out there looking straight in here. And I haven't got me drone. I dropped it in the bloody ocean. Ah well. Little drone, rest in peace. So there you go, they got it all. This Korean family there. Looks like they do diving, restaurant, they got it all going on. Good on them. Gotta love people that have a go like that. Now, I'm gonna probably wander down something like that soon, but while I'm on the waterfront, I might just wander down here a little bit further and see what we can look at. Got old shanty town over here with all the boats and the village on the water. I love little places like this. It's really cool. And we've got that market, so I'm going to head out in that direction and see what's out there. A big cross on the hill with the Coron sign up there. So they've obviously had a lot of rain. So I don't know what sort of market this is. It looks like it's sort of a food. Must be all the fish and meat. Shit like that, eh? You can come and get all your tucker. Got all your veggies. All your meats and whatnot. Oregon, pretty good spot here. So you go through there to all your fish. I might actually walk down here past this little rat that's just pushed down there. And I'll go down this one because all that meat and fish is making me tummy churn today. But you get the general idea of what we're looking at here. Here's a cool little doggy. And looks like they just keep jotting through forever. You can even get an ice cream. Got bananas. Can get me water and that here, but I didn't bring me bag, so I'm gonna get all that a bit closer to home. So I don't know what they're making there. And then we come out the other side and see what's going on down here. It's definitely Banana Town there, isn't it? Banana Rama. So yeah, pretty interesting little town, isn't it? And once they love their basketball, absolutely love it. That ring looks pretty small. That'll be hard getting it in that one. They'll have to. Nice. No, I'm okay.
Okay.
Thanks, man. We got the crew out there doing their, having a bit of a feed. So these markets sort of, I don't know if they live there or whether it's their little shops, but it's where you come if you're a local to buy all your tucker. Sort of like, hey little mate. all the tourist boats. A lot of them sort of, I could see when I was eating, coming back in and dropping off heaps of people, and probably a few going out for a bit of a small sunset tour or something if they do that. So there you go. There's the local market. So the guy told me to come down just to have a look at the boat, make sure it was all right for tomorrow. Said they just got it out of the water doing a few repairs, said should have it ready by tomorrow. So looks like they've got a bit of work ahead of them tonight, but it should be up and running, they reckon. So all good. There we go, just cruising down the road. I don't think we're right in the middle of tourist town here. I'm thinking it might be up that way a bit more. So we'll go for a little bit of an inland walk and then head back. Phone shop, cases, fuel station. There you go. Got it all down here. Which way do we go? Coin toss. I think I'm going to head back this way a bit. Looks like we might go up to one of the main roads there if I go that far. If not, I'll cut back along. Basically, just walk anywhere, get massively lost, then look at my GPS, find my way home. That's how you do it. And here we are at the big crossroads. Got your suitcases in there. Got a lot of stuff in that one. That's like the Kmart. Found the Coles. It's like a little Kmart, that one. Boys have got the pool room. There you go. Got the cake shop. Oh, that looks alright, doesn't it? Got the ice cream man. You just got it all here. This one across here looks fairly nice. You got an ATM machine. And I suppose at the moment, I'm just trying to find if there's a little like convenience shop close by. So this is crazy. Well, it's not really crazy, it's pretty mellow, I suppose, compared to some places, but still crazy. So you sort of got all the Port Authority. Oh, looks like there's little shops there actually, but I'm just going to check right here. I might be actually living on top of a market, so, or something, and not even know it. There you go. See what's just down this section as well, just so I know. Coron Public Market, so I don't know if that's sort of closed down now, or whether I'll find in the morning it all locks up, not sure. So there you go guys, from there's our little adventure all the way from, where were we? El Nido, all the way over to Coron. Alright, so looks like a pretty cool little town, and I'm expecting it's going to be pretty great over there tomorrow, so we will see you in the next vlog over on the beautiful island. So from Dino at 3 Star Nomadic, we'll catch you down the track.